channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make some homemade granola and energy bags. So follow us this way. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we've got 3 cups of oats and we're going to put in all the dry ingredients first. So we're going to start with the oats into the bowl. And then we also got 2 cups of brown puffed rice, and you can get these from Holland and Barrett. This is our favourite part, chocolate. We'll be back after we blend it.
Okay, go on, Angelina.
Just added in the blended dark chocolate, and now we're going to add in a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's do this. Yeah. Now we're going to mix it all together, but you might want to use a bigger bowl than we are right now because everything's falling out. Okay, so now we've just heated this coconut oil up over hot water. If you want to cheat, you can use the microwave. We just used 2 tablespoons of this.
Totally didn't do that.
So the next step we're going to do is we're going to add in a 3rd cup honey. We usually use agave nectar or maple syrup, but in this case we only had honey to use. Now remember, this can serve a lot. This last both of us a week. And the last step is half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You done? Want every last bit of this honey taken away from the bees is enough. Okay, so once you're done with mixing all the ingredients, you're going to want to line 2 baking trays with foil because the next step is we're going to put them in the oven. So you might want to preheat your oven. Well, you should have done that before you started this actually. Just lined our baking trays with foil. I'm going to split the mixture in half. Also, another thing is, when you put them in the oven, make sure you time yourself so that every 5 minutes you're going to have to take it out and mix it, otherwise you're going to burn the chocolate. You don't want to burn the chocolate. We've just taken it out of the oven. It's been 5 minutes and you can see the chocolate is melting. Yum.
You need to really quickly show the chocolate being melted in.
Yeah. You're going to need to do this 3 times.
Or twice.
Again, after 5 minutes, we're going to take it out. Okay, so we've just taken these out of the oven for the last time and mixing it all. We suggest that you let it cool down before trying it or tasting it. We recommend that you have it with honey yogurt. We've experimented with it and we prefer it.
It's also nice with coconut yogurt, vanilla yogurt,
but honey yogurt's our favourite.
Yeah.
Don't have it with milk because it makes it all soggy. I don't
You
really
can't
like
tell
that.
them not to have it with milk. Have it
What you
either
want.
way. Experiment. You can have it as a cereal with milk, or you can have it as granola, which will last you longer. We have it as granola, so it lasts us a week.
Yeah.